大家好 ，Hello everyone，欢迎来到 Vivid Visions Fun Chinese Journey. Today we are going to learn a very popular spoken Chinese expression, and it is
人的，我靠！我靠！我靠！我靠！
我靠！我靠 is an interjection, usually used to express strong emotions like surprise, excitement, or anger. It's similar to wow, oh my god, or damn. In English, it's important to note that 我靠 is a rather vulgar expression, usually used in informal occasions, like chatting with friends or expressing emotions privately. In formal settings or when communicating with people you're not familiar with, please avoid using this phrase. If you want to express surprise or excitement, you can use more polite words, such as 哇！天啊！太棒了！ If you want to express anger, you can use 可恶！真糟糕！ Today we learned the popular spoken Chinese expression 我靠. Remember to choose the appropriate expression according to different situations. If you want to learn more interesting Chinese expressions, please subscribe to our channel. 我们下次再见。